Yo! It's Friday. It's a great day because we're still working on the boat, but we got a ton of parts in and we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it. Let's get to unboxing, but first, don't forget, I got merch dropping soon. The website is getting built as we speak and good things are coming. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and look at some fun parts. First part, number one, remember last week's video where I got the wrong headers? Well, the company is awesome, they made it right. And we got big block Chevy, up and forward, fully TIG welded, stainless headers. These things are gorgeous, pretty lightweight and cheap, so eBay special, here you go. Next up, we got instruments. Holley EFI gauges. These are awesome because they are the analog style gauges. However, they're digital. Everything runs off CAN bus from the ECU. They're super simple. Basically, they all daisy chain from each other, and it's really simple. You don't have to have like different sensors, wired up and a whole bunch more stuff going on. This is the way to go if you want the old school look. So, Holley gauges, heck yeah. And third up, we got the brains of the operation, the Dominator ECU. In my opinion, the best ECU on the planet. It's the most user-friendly, it's the easiest to set up, it's the easiest to wire. I'm not a wiring guy by any means, and I can figure it out. So, if you want EFI, get yourself a Holley Dominator. Since I know this boat's gonna be real thirsty, I got her a big fuel pump, and this is the biggest, baddest fuel pump Holley makes with the biggest, baddest fuel filter that they make to go along with it. This is the VR2 brushless fuel pump. This fuel pump can literally support 3,600 horsepower on gas and like 2,300 horsepower on E85. This is what you need if you're trying to make some big power. So, if you know what I'm doing, if you're kind of putting the pieces together and why I got a fuel pump this big, you kind of have an idea of what we're going to be doing with the engine. So, got to keep it properly fed. Harness. If you hate burning spark plug wires with your turbo or supercharged combo, or if you got long tube headers on your stuff, get you a set of Excel ceramic spark plug wires. Thing of the past, little gift from the Lords. Oxygen sensors, a few of them. Cam sensors. You can actually use this as a microphone. This would be kind of cool. But no, cam sensor. Next up, this is a shocking discovery because we got ignition coils. 8 of the baddest Holley EFI smart coils. These things are so dang powerful they can damn near melt the tip of the spark plug clean off itself. So, if you're running big boost, lots of horsepower, or fuels that are hard to light, like E85 or alcohol, switch over to Holley smart coils and all your life's problems will be solved. And next up, we got to know how much RPMs we're turning somehow, right? Well, that is from this little guy, the billet, a lot of tooth, reluctor wheel. All this guy does, it takes this little magnet on a nice fancy billet mount, and as this thing turns on the crankshaft, the sensor counts how fast the teeth are going past it, and it tells you RPM. It's that simple. All right. Oh, God. And here is the star of the show. This is the new big block Chevy Holley EFM high ram intake manifold, and my lord, it is a work of art. I will say, the castings with Holley nowadays, the new stuff, is a lot better than what it was. This is truly beautiful. The insides of the intake ports are just perfect, man. The machined edges are nice and clean, deburred. Man, oh man, this is gonna look really good sitting on top of this big block Chevy, especially getting some air forced down through it. So, anyways, that's the gist of it. You guys already know what wiring harnesses and a bunch of other sensors look like. That's all the other boxes over there, but this is the main part of the puzzle. So, super excited. The engine just got dropped off to the machine shop. We're going to be covering that maybe later in the video or next video. I'm just waiting on a phone call. But anyways, this is the unboxing video of all the Holley stuff. So hope you enjoyed this little quickie, and we'll see you guys next week.